Ghanaian Times ni kuta me GS ne NAT na sa teacher for omete bongro mu womuntua eho ka no ne ade a abai no akoye twema mentwe we say mutua won susi da bi yente ase eno Ghanaian Times e wo story na kasa e wo page 15 na NAT enso so no great Provident Fund Board na baka womavo wono so ya granted the bill 2 million Ghana cedis ehun sem eno na sem no kokopie court no mapede akufo ado enti container ne de na bamu ha mapede akufo ado Kofi Annan Road Safety Award eno de atudwa kirem say ha ne ye papa akwansia bebreba ekoso e wo yakwan so no mapede akufo ado na e ka ho asem e wo ha no
Samo eno Ghanaian Times so your father daily graphic and Dwaso
I mean fa daily graphic enso so ento so a na daily graphic dia no boko classes na sorry no nipa baasa wahwere om nkwa wo na soja fo nso miensa ya to ontu ni nyina ekoso ha na ye Ghana printers if almost so they are decided to abandon say stop publishers from printing textbooks offshore. What we say free to teach mo so da bia ye kan textbooks my enfe nko Singapore my enfe nko China nko print ye ma printer contract pe na what the pen drive na se nko toku no akwa kopie mu Singapore no akwa kopie mu e wo China no akwa print books no na wo de aba na aha no printers awa ha no enya adwuma enye na eye won e print books e wo memu no wo stress aban fa ne ho nyimbi na obi a be ma no contract so print textbooks no won hwe no amfa nko print e wo amano ne amfa ma na MiDA nso so install 360 transformers said the be ya e wo 53 towns e wo se be ya ganam hoden power fluctuations edum na so ebetuma so eduma so printer no say omoye a chese eboa ana one district one factory ura Alanchamatin that had no say 273 million Ghana cedis dispersed towards 1D1F and Ghana races to meet SDGs and also a year chief of staff Mami Akuzo Frema Opare or say Opare and so Edahano store nakasa pay 1617 ewo Ghanaian the daily graphic emu and senating so alante supplementary readers for students and TMA to eject general hospital squatters, demolish illegal structures and graphic back page.
Okay, great. And finally, quickly, I'm Adomonline.com stories. Bawku Nsem. Now they're catching my attention. I'm saying tomato factory raided by motorbike gangsters. That's a story I was already and I say bullion van robberies, family of late Corporal Steven Nyame or Makasa and Semben or Mokaya Oba Adomonline.com stories in Ewaho just so MPP supporters on my Haiti Street the end of my Haiti Street and also Oba Adomonline.com details of the story Ewaho 18 minutes after 8 yeah call for a quick commercial break yeah Babaka Adom Sports page 1 yeah they bro stay tuned.
You